too many position for that. You can see it from there.
You know you're not supposed to bark. Then you're still barking. But I can hear you trying to pressurize your butt. But I heard you louder downstairs. Huh, Bailey? You think you're very smart? You think you're so smart, is it? Huh? Good morning. So today I have a rather busy day. I'm going to have a MRI check because I have a bit of pain here. So I'm gonna have it done, and then after that I'm going to the gym and going to do some shopping. So let's start the day. So I'll let you guys know what happened to my neck initially, but I'm going for my MRI first. Gosh, crazy rain. So it's a crazy raining season right now, and I think I'm gonna be very wet going to the gym. Look at all the fruits, all the good stuff here. There's so much meat. Okay, so what do I need? I need squid. Okay, so I need squids over here, and they're quite big though. Then the next one I need would be the caviar. I just need the caviar.
188.
188.
188.
Yes.
One only.
Yes. One is enough. Okay. Look at all the good stuff over here. Yes. Alright, thank you. Okay, I wasted half day being outside, and now I'm going back home, take a shower, and going to start cooking then.
Don't you get scolded.
You very noisy. Why so noisy? Someone said the grooming. Okay, so we're gonna pick him up later. It's been 2 hours, so I'm here to pick up Bailey after his spa and grooming. Oh, he's so happy. He's so cute. He looks clean now. Hello! How was it, baby? Do you smell like flowers now? He looks cute now, and it smells so good. And it's still raining, so I have to carry him up like that. So the groomer said that he behaved so nicely, and they took a lot of videos and photos of him, which is super cute. And they give him a cute bandana as well. Oh, Bailey, did you enjoy yourself? Yeah. the toy. Go get that toy. Hi, baby. See? No, doesn't give it. Yeah. What?
No, I'm not giving you.
I'm not giving you. Baby. 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 Come over here, baby. Baby. Oi. Right here, I have one. Baby. What's this? Ooh. Oh, you're not in there. You're very biased. You have 3 toys already. Then someone will. Ding, 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 ding. Goodbye, baby. I cannot love you. I cannot love you. Last time can love you. You love me already. I'm the one who loved me.
Nope.
Okay, so I'm back home. So today we're going to make something special with the squid, the clams, the green lip mussel, and the scampi.
Farm interface. But it's not. But we had, yeah.
And once the scampi is done, baby is waiting for his cheese. Bye bye. Wait. Sit. Bye bye. Billy. Bye bye. Bye bye. Good. So once it's done, we're going to just take this leaf area of the parsley, put it in the blender, a bit of olive oil. Okay, so for the sauce, we just need a tomato sauce, a little bit of a vegetables cube, the parsley stalk, big red chili, this is from the vegetables cube, and some crushed garlic. Oh, one more of the ingredient. I'm using a brandy, but you guys can use a white wine.
So you take the squid, is the squid, how it looks like.
You want to save the ink?
We will try. This is where it shoots the ink out, but I think this one is empty. So you just take the head, you pull it out, then all the intestines, most of them, they come out.
There's a ink.
No, the squid ink is like.
Oh, I don't think there's no more.
Oh no, I think this is the liver. No, the bag is here. I think this one has been cleared. There's only one way to find out, just to be sure, and I'm pretty sure that is the liver. Oh yes, it is.
It is?
Okay. This is to make black squid ink pasta. It would have two, would have been better, but we don't have the choice. Then we just anything from the eyes down. This is the eyes, this is the intestine, these are the tentacles. Just cut below the eyes. Give it a rinse. It's good to go. This one is good to throw. Then you need to find the bone. Once you found the bone, it looks like a pen. Of course, it broke. Just these ones, they are a bit already broken. When you catch them in the wild, you can take it out the whole thing. This one is all in pieces already. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna open this bad boy like that. And we're gonna remove the remaining part of the bone. This one should come out all together. There you go. This is the boneless piece of plastic. This one you throw. Afterwards you look where you cut. This is the skin. And this one you peel it like a sticker. You need to find a place where it's already peeling off. Yeah, like here, for instance. There you go. It's the same as peeling a sticker when you buy a new phone or something.
So the garlic, the chili, and the parsley stalks are in. We're gonna let it cook for a little bit.
So what's important when you are doing with the alcohol is like high heat, because you want the alcohol to smoke away.
So what we do is we just cook this first. Once it's done, we take it out. So the parsley stalk and everything stays inside. We're gonna
because you don't want to cook this for more than 30 seconds or something like that. Now the temperature drops.
Thank you for cooking. So I've never touched squid before in my life, so that's why I don't have the confidence to do it, and I don't want to mess this thing up. Good.
It's like butter.
Okay, so with the leftover juice, when the separated one is gonna be there, and we're gonna cook the stock right now. All good. And we're gonna add a little bit of the tomato sauce, not a lot, so just like few spoons. The sauce is almost ready. So once the sauce is done, what we're gonna do is to actually sieve them below here, and that will be our main base sauce. So you see, when you do the extra work here, you actually get more sauce. So the reason why I'm doing this is so that I can get more sauce of it. And we get a lot of goodness from this. Just look at it. Look at how much sauce there is. There you go. So look at all of this juice. This is the good stuff. So these are the leftovers, and this is the sauce. Okay, new pot. So now we're going to cook the mussels with the clams, and we're gonna use the similar ingredients here, just the parsley stalk and the garlic. And once it's done, we take it out, and we are left with the sauce. And so the green color is just the blended parsley. And once again, we're gonna sieve it again. Hey!
You see, this is Kelly's fault.
Yeah, no. Don't look at her. She's not gonna help you. Nobody's on your side.
Nope, I'm not looking.
And now we are making the pasta. So I really am in love with this sauce. So this was the clam sauce just now with a bit of the parsley at the end. Okay, we are going to transfer the pasta over here. So for the sauce, it is actually a mix of this one and this one. This one, whatever. Right, so we have the what do you call
Sea urchin.
Yeah, sea urchin umi here, and the caviar over here.
Oh wow, tenemos desafío.
Okay, so the reason why I had the MRI is because back in 2018 I actually I had a car accident by a taxi, and what happened was the whiplash, and I had a C5, C6, a slight bulging disc, so it started to get a bit painful again. So I went for the second MRI hoping that nothing is serious. So I'm really nervous because only next week then I'm going back to see my specialist, and as well as to compare from 2018 and 2021 to see on the C5, C6. So hopefully nothing is bad. Yeah. So thanks guys for watching, and I hope you like our video. See you next time. Bye bye. Hello, baby.